Stay behind me. We'll lock it down.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Freak Nation. Back with another episode of this mini-series where I play all the rogues in Rogue Company. Today I'm playing Anvil.
Stop the enemy
I played
from
a game with him last night, had it all recorded and everything, and the recording was all jacked up. So I'm doing another one. And yeah, that was frustrating, but you know, it is what it is. So Anvil, he's a defensive rogue. His Q is a barrier, and he has either a shotgun or an LMG. Now the shotgun, jeez, is not that great.
Enemies planted the bomb. Stop them.
Deploying utility.
Nice. They have...
Done with you.
Oh, one of them left. Alright. So yeah, this is his Q. It's a little barrier. So he's classified as a defender. And he's really good at securing the location. Offense, he's not.
Bomb spotted.
Definitely not as good. But for this little mini series, I will be playing him.
The enemies detonated the bomb.
Damn.
Regroup and try again.
Maybe I should have just gone for the bomb. I don't know. So for this little mini series where I'm playing all the rogues, I'm gonna play him offense too, even though he can feel real bad on offense, just because he has nothing to help you advance to get to the objective other than his guns to be able to plant the bomb. Whereas defense, you can get to the objectives first, set down your barrier. You know, I have a trophy system in my inventory, so they can't throw grenades or anything. It'll have no effect for at least 1 or 2 grenades or explosives. So he can just hold down an objective really well. Whereas offense, you have to get to the objective first, and that's the difficult part on offense. So
Deploying utility.
yeah, but we're gonna be playing them both. I know I keep saying that. I'm trying to concentrate on the game as well.
Deploying utility.
We found the bomb.
So, what else does he have? He's got... So he has a trophy
No
system.
enemies remaining. Well done.
This is the LMG. And then he also has a trophy system for his tactical. His lethal is a C4. I can show you now. So he's got the LMG shotgun, the trophy system, C4, baseball bat. All the rogues have something to throw. The executioner pistol, which I usually don't level up, but I did because I just had extra cash. Then he's got the pretty generic perks for a defender. You know, armor. I really like going to armor. Then he's got the downing and enemy heals, reduced damage, healing better, you know, just stuff like that. Yeah, I definitely go with the armor first with him, especially on defense. And that's if I have enough. If I don't have enough, I usually go for, the reduced explosive damage, I think it is.
Deploying utility.
Behind us. She got around
Bomb spotted.
real quick. Wow. I don't know if you can get around
All
that
enemies
quick,
have been eliminated.
but that was a little... What route would you take to get there that quick? I mean, I know I jumped a little late too, but I don't know. Increase magazine size. Let's go gain ability to reload
Smashing.
while sprinting. I think that's, since it's an LMG, I think that can help quite a bit. I mean, the nice thing is that you don't have to reload a whole lot with the LMG, but when you need to, it's nice to be able to do it on the move.
Lethal out!
Deploying utility.
Ooh, my aim is off this morning. This is my first game of the day too, guys. Just
Bomb spotted.
throwing that out there.
Your lack of skill is obvious.
All enemies have been
Nice.
eliminated.
My team's real good though, and I have most eliminations still. My team's playing well. The enemy team also had someone
That'll
gone for
do.
most of the match, but we won't talk about that too much. I've talked about that in previous videos, how it, you know, it just feels real bad, and it's almost like you instantly lose the game unless you're on comms with someone. But even then, sometimes it's too much because they've got an extra guy on you, or you have an extra guy on them. In this case, I know he came back, but I don't know if he's really back or not. But I'm gonna upload this still because it seems like every game's like this.
Deploying utility.
Either someone just goes AFK or leaves.
Move here. Oh, that was quick.
So I'm still gonna upload this.
Deploying
Found the bomb.
utility.
So when I first started playing this game, I played Anvil, and I didn't really like him because I used the shotgun. But the last couple of games I've played, I used the LMG. It's not that bad.
All
Not that
enemies
bad
have been
at all.
eliminated.
He's still not my favorite rogue, just purely for the fact that he's one-dimensional. And I know you can always switch up the rogue when you go to offense. That's not the purpose of this little series, as I keep saying, but
I'll take that.
I like rogues that you can play either or. Like, I like Saint. Saint can be used for either one. Stuff like that.
I'll take that.
I'm upgrading this to increase the durability. So now it can take like one more explosive. I think the first rank only can take one explosive. You know, tank one explosive, but now it can tank two, I believe. Maybe 3, but I'm pretty sure it's just 2. But that can be the difference sometimes, you know.
Lethal out.
Oh, I saw that.
I'm down! Enemies on the move!
Ooh.
We found the bomb.
Ah, my aim.
No enemies
Nice.
remaining. Well done.
My aim's just a little bit off there.
Halfway home. We're repositioning to attack.
Yeah, Anvil's real good defense. You know, here it says he's a defender. Focuses on securing objective locations. So yeah, you can use him on offense because it's not just like defender doesn't mean you can only play him defense. It means what it just said. I don't know if you guys heard that. I just hit the mic, but what it says there is he's good at securing a location. Problem with that on offense is the objectives are further away from you on offense, so the defense is gonna get there first. So it almost doesn't make sense for you to play Anvil on offense
Stay behind me.
because of the fact
We'll
that you
lock
have
it
to
down.
get to the objective before you set up. Should we try the C4? I've never tried it. I'm gonna try the C4.
Pick a site and plant the
And
bomb.
it's a remote explosive, so I assume I have to hit the explode, or not the explode, the lethal button again for the off. Keep getting revealed. I don't know if that's just.
Who's the fastest gun?
See, these guys are doing exactly what I say you should never do
Deploying utility.
on defense. You should never be rushing on defense. You should always be the one playing the corners and waiting for the offense to come to you.
Behind us. Lethal out.
God, that scared me. There's someone right over here.
45 seconds remaining.
Help me out.
All enemies have been eliminated.
Yeah, see, they all rushed us, and we just took them out one at a time. On defense,
Match point.
you should
Let's
be playing
get it.
someone like an Anvil, like a Trench. I mean, you don't have to, but and just set up. Even if you don't play these guys, you know, if you play Dallas or play Lance or one of the duelists, the ones that want to get in there, you still gotta play passive and play the corners, because in an open gunfight, I lose to a Ronin or a Dallas, you know, one of the brawlers, or especially the Lancer, because she can keep reloading. You know, as Anvil, I would lose to them in an open battle because I'm playing the corners. You know, I'm not dying. I'm winning out on these fights.
Enemy spotted.
I didn't buy it. I didn't buy anything. Oh, jeez.
Deploying
What?
utility. Lethal out.
Ooh, I didn't see her. See, they're just trying to rush again.
45 seconds left.
Need help.
30 seconds remaining.
We will not break.
Oh, I screwed
Bomb
myself.
has been dropped. All friendlies eliminated. Regroup.
Oh, that was dumb of me. I forgot to buy something. Or did
Match point.
I
Let's
buy
close
anything?
this
No,
contract
I
out.
didn't, did I? I didn't.
Smashing.
See, that's what screwed me. You gotta keep buying, too.
That'll
Pistol, I
do.
guess. Might as well. If we win this, we win. Yeah, so that round was completely my fault.
Go here.
I had nothing to help out. I mean, well, I did and I didn't, because I feel like even if I had the LMG, maybe I would have downed one of them at the end there, but there's no way I can deal with the sniper. You know, like, she can just shoot me and there's nothing I can really do, even with the LMG.
I'm down. Lethal out. Come on, walk it off. Enemy spotted. That actually hurt. Going
Bomb
we
has been
will
dropped.
not break.
All friendlies eliminated. Regroup.
See, that's what I mean with the Anvil is on
Match
offense.
point. Let's get it.
I put down that barrier, but it doesn't really matter because I put down that barrier. Now that barrier is there. We still have to get to the objective. You know, we still have to
I'll
get
take
somewhere
that.
to then get this to then set up the bomb.
Move here.
So once I put down that
Go here.
that objective there on offense, I don't have that to help secure if we're able to plant the bomb. Or on defense, you're already there. You're already where the bomb needs to be, so you can set it up. So yeah, I definitely don't recommend them on offense. For obvious reasons, you can kind of see it. Like I'm just the best way I can describe Anvil on offense is I just feel kind of useless. Yes.
Lethal out. I'm down. Come on, walk it off.
Nice.
45
That
seconds
actually
remaining.
hurt.
No enemies remaining.
Nice.
Well done.
Luckily, my team was still pretty good. We had a couple rough rounds, but
Fine, thanks.
Nice and easy.
yeah, we still get the win. So that's Anvil. Like I said, definitely not my favorite rogue, but after playing a couple more times, I don't mind him, really. I really don't. One of my first games ever playing of Rogue Company, I played him, and I used the shotgun. I thought, oh, shotgun. You know, it's from the same engine creators, whatever, as Fortnite. Has the same kind of style. Oh, maybe shotguns will be really good. Not so much the case. I mean, you really have to get headshots with shotguns, which can be hard when people are rolling around and stuff like that. So I didn't really like him, but after playing a few more with the LMG, on defense, I can definitely see myself playing him more, especially if in a scenario where you're on comms with one or more people and you really are going for those wins, then yeah, he's real useful. And I know all rogues you can say that with. But yeah, I definitely don't mind him. He's fun. You know, I mean, I love this game. I think this game is really fun, so no matter what, I have a good time playing all these rogues, just trying them all out. And yeah, we've got quite a few more to go through. But I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more rogues to go through for this little mini series. Obviously, I'm gonna keep posting because I'm just having a good time with this game. But for this little mini series, that's what we got to work with. And I don't know if I've made a video on Lancer or not. She might be the next one I do, if not. But yeah, that'll do it for this one, guys. That was Anvil. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.